Hi everyone and welcome back to the Eva channel. My name is Marwa, aka Miss English Teacher. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to replace basic A2 words with advanced words. So, before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. So, how is this gonna work? For example, I'm going to say Tom is very cold. Then I'm gonna give you 3 to 4 seconds and you need to find a stronger adjective. For example, Tom is very cold. We're gonna say instead, Tom is good. Freezing.
Looks freezing.
Okay, next. I'm very happy. Instead of very happy, what should we use? Good. You can say, I'm thrilled, I'm ecstatic, super.
I'm ecstatic!
Okay, I'm very tired. Instead of very tired. Good. You can say, I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
Okay, let's continue. If we say, it's very hot outside today, instead of very hot, we need to use good. It's sweltering.
Marty, it's sweltering.
He will be very glad to see you. Instead of very glad. Good. He will be delighted to see you.
Sir Ronald, I'm delighted to see you.
The elephant is very big. You could say the elephant is enormous, massive, gigantic.
Look, the place is gigantic.
James is very clever. Good. James is a brilliant man, or James is brilliant.
She's brilliant.
She's brilliant. Pixie's brilliant.
The world of fashion is very competitive. Good. Instead of very competitive, we can use cutthroat. So we can say the cutthroat world of fashion.
Gotta believe that's about the cutthroat world of regional trucking.
The meeting was very short. Good. The meeting was brief.
The lesson was rather brief.
The model looks very thin. Good. The model looks skinny.
Look kind of skinny, actually. Skinny? Really?
Can you think of any other examples? Did I miss any words? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this type of videos and would like to improve your vocabulary a little bit more, then we have a second part for you. Go ahead, watch it, it's here. Thank you and take care.